Hey, good morning, campers. We're going to start in on part 31, and we're going to continue on with the wiring. I had put in the fan wiring and the light wiring right up above me here, that one. And I've added also a 12-volt electrical plug into another location. Over here in the cabinet to run the TV. And let me get my mind straight here. After we well, I told you this was live. I'm getting brain dead here. I'm going to flip the camera around because obviously I'm not comfortable on it right at this second. So I'll show you what I've done, okay? Okay, I'm back with you here. I'm not going to edit that out. I'm sorry, guys. Just a waste of time, I guess. But here's the plug I put in. And that's located right on the side of the bathroom. There's the bathroom door over there. And right here is where I'm going to be locating a small TV for the seating area here. Anyway, I wired that in. You can see the wire going down right there, the black one. I've armored it. And I've also tied it in and armored it under the bed there. You can see the wiring there. I need to clean that all up and add hangers to it. And I cleaned that area up right there. You can see the wire going down. I've got to clean that. I've got to put a hanger or two on that. And the wiring is now in this armored cable. There's the three circuits that I've ran already. And that doesn't include this one because it's already hooked up. So let's go to the outside and I'll show you what I'm doing out there. It's rainy today. Everything's really dark. I have to turn on lights for everything. Look how dark it is out here in the shop. Hear the rain on the roof. No sign of Rubes though. He must be hiding someplace. Okay. So there's my wiring right up there, right here. There's my 3 wires coming out. I'm going to hook those into the bottom of that panel right up there. You can see where I have them marked. But each one of these has a connector at the bottom here. And that runs a different circuit. And the hot wire will go up here. And the black ground wire here will go into this common bus right here, the ground bus. Okay? I'm going to get busy doing that. I'm going to get you guys put onto the stand so you won't have all these shadows and me waving you around. So give me a second. Okay, back with you. Hope you can see that okay. These little connector tabs here are going to be hooked on with something that looks like this. Where are you? Here you are. So that's what I've got to hook on the red wire. I'm going to go ahead and get one of those put on here. This particular circuit is going to be for the cabin lights. That hurt. So I've got these marked here. Cabin lights is right here. So now that I have this on there, I'm going to press that on there. Huh. Well, I'm running into a little problem here because this here fits so tightly over that when I push on it, it's bending it. So I'm going to have to be real careful with that. May need somebody on the inside. I'm not sure. Okay. You take the cover off of this, and I'm going to go need to get a screwdriver. I'll be right back. Okay, back with you here. That's where I'm going to put the ground wire. Same process here. I'm going to strip this again. This time I'm going to put it on the proper size. There, that's a lot easier. And on this one, I'm going to be using this loop. Well, in case you guys haven't noticed, I'm not on the top of my game today. I don't know why. I'm just going to have to go with it, I guess. All right. And there we have the ground wire. Now, everything being good, if I light this up, that interior light should work. So let's go in and give it a try. Okay, there it is. So what we do is we come over here to this kitchen. There's cabin lights. There it is. We have cabin light. All right. And this will also turn off right here. Good. One circuit in, first circuit. That's great. I'm going to go out and do some more. Hey, Rubes. Rubes, you're getting too close, buddy. Quit trying to crawl up on me. What's the matter? Is it raining again? Huh? Is it raining, buddy? He's making kitty dough on my leg. Okay, back at it.